Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this one we're gonna do an unboxing of, I think it's Nike. I remember what is the Nike sneakers, so we're just gonna do an unboxing of that one. And alright, so it just comes in a box like this, so we're getting rid of that box. And by the way, I just recently did a Adidas lemonade sneakers, which is pretty cool in my estimation, so you guys can watch it. I think it's up here or here, wherever, but I'll just link it so you can watch that one. Alright, so we're doing an unboxing of Nike, and as usual, I guess nothing is so fancy about this one because I have Nike signature boxes. Alright, so this is what this is like. So it's the Air Max 90. That one. So that one comes with some tissue paper, and it's a black one. I actually bought these because I want them to wear to work. Because I don't like boots, so I was kind of thinking, let's try Nike sneakers like that. So that's what that looks like, and I mean, it's pretty cool. I like the feel of it. I mean, the insole feel a little bit coarse. Alright, let's just get rid of these things, these stuffings. So that's what that looks like. So it's black, red, black, grayish, white colorway. Doesn't look bad. They feel sturdy. Feels great too. I mean, so yeah, that's what that one is. And in case you're wondering, I'm Garnet. Alright, so I'm gonna try them on and let you see what it looks like on my feet. Okay, we'll be back shortly. So guys, these are, I mean, they're super comfortable. They are size 10, but they kind of fit small. So I would say go, if you're gonna buy any of these or one of these, I say go half a size, your size, which is kind of weird because I kind of wear between 9 and 10, but this 10 is pretty, feel a little too close for comfort. But when I mean, it still is comfortable. I just like to have a little room in my shoes so I don't damage my feet. But I mean, these are nice, looks great. I don't normally buy black shoes because I just think they are just maybe just too common or too basic, but these are far from basic and far from looking common, so I like these. I'm pretty sure I will enjoy working in them for the time being. Alright, so one last look at it. It looks like, let's get that right. That way. That's that. That's that. That's that. That's that. Alright, so these are cool. Really cool. Nice. I like these. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. Appreciate you watching. As usual, please like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, appreciate you. Blessing and peace out.